How to fix Discord no route or RTC connecting error. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video we will learn how we can fix if you are stuck with an error that says no route or RTC connecting on Discord. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you can restart everything. Close your Discord completely from your device. Restart your PC, and after that, once you restart it, open up the Discord and check if that works out for you or not. If not, make sure that you're connected to the internet and it's working properly. You could also try to switch between from the Wi-Fi to the Ethernet if possible. And if that still does not help you, if you have enabled any VPN in your device, make sure to turn it off. Discord may block the voice connections if the VPI does not support your UDP, so try to disable the VPN or switch to one that does. And if that still does not help you, sometimes your firewall or antivirus will also cause the problem. So on your Windows, you have to go to your control panel. Click on the search icon and in the search bar, search for control panel, open it up in your device. From here, search for the firewall option. Here is Windows Defender Firewall, click on it. From here, search for an option as Allow App or Feature. And here, search for Discord and make sure that it is allowed for both of your private and public network. Once you do that, you can click on OK, then click on Close. Now check if your problem is solved or not. And if that still does not help you, try to use Discord in your browser if you're having problem on your application. Open up Discord in your browser. If it works there, the Discord application might need to be reinstalled. And if that still does not help you, in order to reinstall the Discord, you have to uninstall Discord completely from your device. For that, what you have to do is you could also delete all of the leftover folders. Click on the search icon and in the search bar, search for run. And once you're here, you have to type in percentage app data percentage, then click on OK. So from here, search for the Discord folder. Head over to Discord and here you could delete everything. Once you have deleted everything from here, now you could go back to discord.com and install the latest version, and that will help you solve your problem. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.